911, where's your emergency?
35 south of Clinton exit, you got an 18-wheeler on fire.
Is it on the interstate or on the exit entrance ramp?
He's right on the exit. Like he's right there where everybody just starts to merge in and get on the off-ramp to come in off 75 south. Big black smoke is coming out and flames coming out of the bottom, so I'm pretty sure he's on fire.
Okay, we've got him on the way, okay?
All right, buddy.
All right, thank you.
Attention A shift, that possible truck on fire, I-75 North Seaward Boulevard. Timeout is 8:09.
Major one responding.
Opened up one southbound lane on I-75. Opened up one southbound lane, I-75.
Command to dispatch.
Go ahead, command.
Fire has been extinguished at this time.